Okay.
Are we good?
Yep.
All right. Hey, we're back and we've got something special for you today. We are the speaker whisperers now. So we've got some more speakers we want to show you that are
Right.
really pretty cool. So before we get started though, let's have you dingle on the bell down there, hit that subscribe button, and of course, you got a comment, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about these speakers. These are pretty cool. So iLive has speakers. We've looked at their previous stuff. They had the solar ones that were solar
Right. The
powered.
solar, it was like the garden path light.
Yes. And now they've sent us some tiki torches. And
Yes.
these things are really pretty cool. I haven't opened the box on mine yet, so we'll do that while we go through this. But you've already played and explored. So
Yes. So that way you can show them what comes in the box, and then I can explain some of the good thinking that went into this.
yes, exactly. So there we go. All right. So I am going to put that right there. And there's the tiki torches that we've got.
Hmm.
And they're pretty cool looking, right?
And they're not tiny. They're 7.5, 8 inches. They're
Okay.
head size. They're head size.
Yeah.
So
And so, all right, let's go over some of the features of this and kind of figure out what you found out about this stuff. And
okay.
so these are the speakers, and then also we've got that's the box. That's what you're looking for.
Yep.
And what was the price on these?
So depending on where you go, anywhere from $35 to $59 for the pair in the box, depending on where you shop. So you can do a little shopping around.
Yep.
Um, but I like what's in the box is really cool. So when you see there, it says bundle includes in the circle there.
Yeah.
You may not be able to read it on your computer, but what it comes with is there's three ways to install these, so to speak, or to enjoy them. You have the hook
Yeah.
that just very simply screws in the bottom, and you can hang it from anywhere you want.
Okay.
Or if you have the location outside by your deck, you have a wall mount, and it comes with anchors and screws. So you mount this to your wall like this.
Okay.
That
There you
better.
go.
Okay. But if you wanted to use it as it's called, it's a tiki torch. It comes with that, a new base,
Uh-huh.
and two pieces of straight and a pointed stake piece. So it only sticks up if you put the stake all the way in the ground. It's really only going to be elevated about 18 inches to the bottom of the light. So maybe 24, 25 inches to the top. That would only be my only kind of complaint. And what I mean by that is a tiki torch is usually 4 or 5 feet tall.
Right.
So if you could get a longer piece, a couple more, if they, go online, buy a couple more pieces, or my thought would be make it work with 1/2 inch conduit.
Oh yeah.
So that's the very cool part. The other funny thing about these, or interesting thing that somebody thought about, if you've got this set up like a tiki torch, you can
Right.
see the flame,
Yeah.
and it's kind of going from the bottom up.
Well, that's the way a flame works.
Yeah, I know. But if you're going to hang this on the hook,
Yeah. Oh, because oh
if
yeah.
you press that same light button twice, it now lights from the bottom. Again, it reverses direction. So now it still looks correct.
That some thought went into that one right there.
Yeah, I thought that was very cool because I'd hate to have it hang in there and have my fire going the wrong way. So that was cool.
So these don't take batteries. The batteries in it, you just have to charge them then.
Yes, they are rechargeable. So it in that box comes the two charging cables, USB-C, not the
Yeah.
micro. No, it's the micro USB, not the USB-C.
Got it. So
But anyway, all
so
right.
that's DC in. Yeah. Oh, you're right. That is an older style, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's okay. It comes with the two cables with the USB on the other end. So
So they didn't
it doesn't
just
really
send
matter.
you one cable to
No,
charge
they
two
send you
of them.
two cables.
Sweet.
Something else that's very cool with these,
Yeah.
I don't think there's a limit on how many you can connect.
Okay.
So if you bought 6 of these,
yeah.
You could surround your patio, deck, lanai, whatever you've got, and have music playing on all six of them off your Bluetooth, off your Pandora account or Apple Music, whatever you use.
Right.
I found it a little tricky to do it. So they all have the same call sign. So what I mean by that is if you open up your Bluetooth and it's going to have the little thing there, multiples of these, they're all going to come under the same Bluetooth device. It's all ISBW 374.
Okay.
So here is the trick. Every time I tried to connect it and then connect the second speaker, it would only make one work or the next one. So that I did what every other failing person does. I opened up the instructions.
Whoa. You had to do, oh, that.
Yeah, it
You were
killed me.
defeated.
I had to locate them first. Somehow they fell to the bottom of the box.
You were defeated. That's awful.
Yeah, so here's the trick. Because these are all under the same pairing, if you're going to use multiples, you may have to remove the pairing each time. And here, unless you mark these. And here's the reason why. I turn on this speaker. It'll say power on.
Okay.
Power on. Bluetooth.
Okay. Right now it would
Bluetooth
connect to my
connected.
phone. It connected to my phone.
Right.
So I can't connect to any other speakers. The trick is to get it to not pair with your phone first.
So you have to turn Bluetooth off on your phone.
That, or the easiest way I know how to do it is when you go into Bluetooth and you hit details, I can actually hit settings and say unpair.
Okay.
So now you notice it's flashing.
Right.
If I take the second speaker and power it up,
Power on. Bluetooth.
guess what it does?
It pairs to the other one.
No.
Oh, yeah. So now they're both
So
flashing.
now you turn on all of your speakers and they're all flashing blue to pair.
Right.
Now, if I go in here and I say scan and I want to pair, there's my speaker. I turn that on and they all come on now.
Oh, okay.
Connected.
So yeah, it's almost like Bluetooth off, turn on all your speakers, and then turn your Bluetooth on and pair.
Correct. So now it's paired base with all. Now, here's the other cool thing. This is what I say. So you see the one that's solid blue?
Yeah.
That's the master. All the rest of them are going to flash like this. These are all interconnected. So the ones that are flashing, you can do whatever you want with them. They could sit over here. This one will control power, volume.
So it's
So
sending
if
that signal.
I want to raise the volume on all my speakers, I only go to this one and hit plus. If I go lower, obviously I don't have the music on, and there's one reason. Last time we did this, they wouldn't let us post the video because of
Right.
copyright. So sorry, no music. But you hit the power on this one, it'll turn all of them off. So I like that. Go ahead. You got somebody behind you?
Yeah, I do.
Hi, Robbie. Long time no see.
Nice
How are you?
hair. Your hair is so long.
Yeah, it kind of grew. Lack of
Wow.
scissors.
Lack of scissors. What are you guys doing
Talking
Talking
speakers.
Talking about new speakers.
for a show?
If you call it that. It's our YouTube thing that we sit and
Yeah. You could call it a
Okay.
show.
You could have told me. I would have dressed for it. Please.
Okay.
It came with these like pieces that this has to be mounted to the bottom of the speaker
To use the stakes.
to use the stakes. And
The stake goes inside that little cup then.
and then if you just want to use the hooks,
Then you take that piece off.
then you got to take that piece off.
And
be
if you want to use the wall mount, you take that piece off.
Got it.
The wall mounts are actually quite nice. I might throw these up outside.
That's pretty cool. So now we just got to figure out how to get the
Pairing to work better, smoother.
yes.
Okay, so the sound quality is actually pretty good. Not a ton of bass, but there's not a lot of cavity in it. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
So it'd be hard to get a lot of bass out of it. But I overall think the sound quality is quite good. Speakers are rated 95 or 85 decibel at 1 meter. We have 1 watt of power, which, like when I bought good speakers, it was always 90 decibels at 1 watt at 1 meter. So at
Yeah.
85, that's not bad.
Yeah. No,
That's telling you it's not taking a lot of power to get 85 decibels. So
Mhm.
I like that. No,
Yeah, and I thought these were going to be battery operated only, so you're constantly changing batteries, but you just got to recharge them once in a while.
yeah, and it says if you're using the light only, it's 50 hours. But
Yeah.
to be honest, if I can get 8 hours out of them, I mean, if you're partying with tiki torches more than 8 hours, I mean, the sun comes up in 12 usually, right? The
Yeah.
longest day, shortest day.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're pretty good. Few hours.
So that, oh, let's see. Oh, it just hit the flame. There you go.
Yep.
It's almost like you got to hold it a little bit to get the flame going.
That's the only thing I've had issues with. And I think it's like anything else, you get touchy because now if you want to flip that flame, you got to press that button twice. But I
See
don't know
there.
if
See,
yeah,
now
there you
the
go.
flame's going down.
Yeah, which they don't normally do.
All right. So I got to get these home, see what the boss says about these.
Give them a charge up.
Yeah.
But they actually pretty nice.
So you could also just have this wall mount and put it on the top of your railing and
Mhm.
have it straight up because this has a ball joint in it.
Correct.
So you got to go through the
But just keep in mind, you have to be able to see the top of it, maybe to, turn it on, pair them, that kind of thing.
right.
So you don't want to make your life too miserable. But like me personally, I would charge them. I would have the wall mounts out there, but I would charge them. Yeah. And then I would fire them up on, say, the picnic table, right?
Yeah.
Get them all paired and working, and then go stick them on the wall.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
if you're
don't do
having
it while they're all on the wall or hanging from the rafters or whatever. Just
if you, oh, and you're right. See, it does come, I don't know. Can you see that? Comes with plastic plugs. So if it's going in wood or concrete or masonry, you've got all the options.
yeah, I mean, they pretty much gave you everything you need, which is
So that
came
swivel,
out fine.
yeah. So it swivels so you can do a wall mount. You could do a railing mount and do that, or handrail coming up the side and still have it pivot. So
Mhm.
yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, mine will probably get a workout on the 4th of July.
Yes. Yes. I'm going to have to get these up and running now. So very cool. Okay. So again, what are these called?
These are the Tiki Ultra Bluetooth speaker with LED flame from iLive.
There you go.
There you go.
And again,
$35 to $59, depending on where you shop. Longevity, don't know. They are IPX4 waterproof rated,
yep.
which means they can get wet. Doesn't mean submerged, but they can get rained on.
Yeah, 360-degree sound. The flickering LED flames, which are pretty cool. Have you tried these at night to see what it looks like in the evening?
Yeah. Yeah, but that's what's crazy. You can only imagine how good they are at night because look how good they are.
Yeah, now.
So yes, they're going to be a lot of fun.
They're water resistant, party pair. You can pair more speakers with ease. We've told you how to do that. Turn the Bluetooth off on your phone, turn all the speakers on, and then turn the Bluetooth on.
Right. Do not try to connect at all until you've got all the speakers connected to each other. That was the trick.
And then you've got built-in rechargeable batteries, and then 2 Bluetooth speakers, the stakes, the wall mounts, 2 hanging hooks, micro USB cable, so you can charge them both at the same time. That's pretty slick. So we're gonna have to give these a try. All right. So check out these Tiki speakers. Tiki speakers, is that what we're calling them?
Tiki Ultras.
Tiki
Ultra Bluetooth speakers.
That's it from iLive. And so far, we've had a couple of their products, and they've worked really well. So we'll keep trying it. With that, I'll say keep it square and level.
Till next time.
Until next time.
Till we get the waterproof speakers.
Oh,
pool speakers, the floating speakers for the pool.
That's our request. We're putting in a request for the solar-powered waterproof pool speakers. Floating
with
speakers.
cup holder.